Hey designers! We all admire Apple for their sleek design, polished UI, and cutting-edge features. But have you ever chatted with their support bot and thought, why does this feel robotic? Even the best designed interface can fall flat if it lacks one essential ingredient: human-like conversation. Welcome to today's video, where we'll break down how Apple could improve its chatbot experience with Conversational UX, or CUX, and how you, as a UX designer, can apply these secrets in your own projects. What is Conversational UX? CUX means Conversational User Experience. It's the art of designing interactions that feel natural, friendly, and human-like. It's used in chatbots, voice assistants like Siri, in-app support and onboarding flows, AI tools like Gemini and ChatGPT, and more. CUX is not just about the bot answering correctly. It's about understanding intent, showing empathy, speaking with human tone, and remembering context. Apple Support Bot. What's missing? Let's say a user complains that their iPhone battery is draining too fast. Here's what the current Apple Support chatbot might say. Please select a battery-related issue. Try restarting your device. Do you want to schedule a Genius Bar appointment? Technically correct, but emotionally? No empathy, robotic responses, repetitive instructions. Result? The user feels unheard and disconnected. That's where CUX comes in. A UX consultant's role. Let's imagine Apple hired a UX consultant to fix this. A UX consultant acts like a UX detective, analyzes user frustrations, reviews tone, context, and flow, redesigns the conversation to feel more natural. They did a conversation audit to review tone and empathy. Before, please select a battery-related issue. After, noticing battery draining faster than usual? Let's fix that. Before, try restarting your device. After, a quick restart often helps. Want me to guide you through it? Before, do you want to book an appointment? After, still not right? I can help find a Genius Bar slot near you. Shall I check availability? Added elements: emojis for friendly tone, memory of previous interactions, phrases like, that must be frustrating, for empathy, option-based conversations instead of robotic choices. 4 pillars of great CUX. Apple example. 1. Intent understanding. Recognize the difference between software, battery, or charger issues. 2. Empathetic response. That sounds frustrating. Let me walk you through it. 3. Tone and language. Talk like a human. Replace error occurred with, oops, that didn't work. 4. Context awareness. You mentioned this happened after updating to iOS 17.5. Still on that version? Is CUX only for chatbots? No. It works for onboarding, support flows, voice UI, and AI tools. Is it expensive? Not at all. It's more about mindset than budget. Should bots use emojis? Yes, when appropriate. They make tones softer and more relatable. Can AI improve CUX? Definitely. As long as tone stays human and mindful. Even the best design can feel cold without human connection. CUX bridges that gap, making users feel heard, not just responded to. Want to design smarter, more human-first experiences? Subscribe to PX Mentor for weekly UX and UI storytelling, tutorials, and toolkits. Until next time, keep designing conversations, not just screens. PX Mentor, signing off.